We had this great product idea, but we weren't even sure if it would be possible, which was kind of cool. We weren't really sure. Like, we wanted to do real-time AI over a video call. Like, that kind of doesn't exist right now.
So we're like, Grandma Simple, yes.
Yeah, proven by grandmas. Yeah.
We wanted to use our AI technology in a video call, but it wasn't really enough to do just that because we needed to make something that these people would actually use and make a huge impact in their workflow to kind of get them from their old way to the new way. So on top of that, we wanted to make sure that we were providing the same kind of white glove concierge type experience that you would get in person, but over video call using our new technology. We wanted to make sure that the whole interface was very simple and we were only showing what we needed to show to the right party. Because at the end of the day, if you get that wrong, you could end up in like a big mess. Like you bring a truck that's too small for everything that you have, or there's a huge truck and you're only using half of it and the driver is like, hey, what about this extra space? So that collaboration is like really key to a successful move.
We had this great product idea, but we weren't even sure if it would be possible, which was kind of cool. Sure, like we wanted to do real-time AI over a video call. Like, that kind of doesn't exist right now. So this was a whole process of sort of de-risking different ideas we had for the application. So first, video providers, like the video quality is really important because we have our AI running over video screens. So things like frame rate and the quality of the image coming through, those were really vital. So we had to spend a lot of time looking at different video providers and sort of comparing the quality. We also needed to make sure that this application worked on basically any phone. We didn't want to say you have to have the most high-end device in order for this to work. So we were testing on these low-end Androids and the oldest iPhones we could get our hands on, as well as the latest iPhones, and just making sure it worked across the whole spectrum of devices.
Oh yeah, and in a browser. Like, we weren't building an app. Like, we wanted to be, you click it and it's a browser. So like, that's fun.
So we probably spent weeks trying to video chat each other. We were running into issues where the CPU load was too much, so our phones would start getting really hot, and we were like, okay, that's not great, probably. And we were burning through battery really fast, so we spent a lot of time even implementing a video chat service from scratch. One of my favorite moments was we were working on building out the collaboration step at the end. So after the mover and the user have walked through the entire house, they've sort of gathered the images they think are most representative. There's a step where we share the inventory list with the consumer. So we wanted this, again, to be very collaborative, so any changes that the mover was taking would be reflected on the user's application. So we were thinking kind of like a Google Docs experience. So if you moved a tag or deleted an item or marked it not moving, it would be reflected on the consumer's application. So the first time we were working on this, and I moved a tag for a couch from one image over to the other, and it actually did it on my phone on the other side. It was like, it felt like magic. It was really cool. Like,
and at the end of the day, our product lets you do it 3 times faster than a normal video call. So like, kind of, it was coming to life, and it actually works today how we wanted it to.
It was really exciting as we were building out this workflow. Like, we were really just trying to solve a problem for our customers, and we realized that we were building out something that could be patentable.